To get started, first, type your search. I will search for games. Now, press on the extension. You have 5 functions you can use in this extension. I will use extract search. As you can see, we extracted the items in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down, then press Add to Export List. Then, go to the next page. As you can see, we found new items. Now, press Add to Export List again. Now we have 40 items in the export list. To export this, press on the extension. Then, press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting the file and opening it, as you can see, here is all the information we extracted. Let's try one more function. Let's say I want to extract the campaign posts of this creator. So first, press on the profile. Then, let's press on the extension. Then press Extract Campaign Posts. As you can see, we extracted the posts in this page. To extract more, simply scroll down and press See More Posts. As you can see, the number increased. Now, to export this again, press Add to Export List. Then, press on the extension again. Then press Export. As you can see, here is all the posts we extracted.